Me tell you what happened to me today while me did I exercise. Rain did fall last week, so me never get for exercise. Me da wonder if my leg them da burn me at all. When me start run, me complete the first mile, me notice say me get better. Me feel good. All of this exercising at work, so when me complete my routine now, me stretch. Me look clean and fancy in my sweatpants and t-shirt. When me finished, me go on top road for cool off. Normally, nobody know they on the road here. So when me a come back, me stop on top of the hill and I wonder the best way to come down. And mine say, look behind you. Me see this lady a walk. Me did think a duppy, but she witnessed the fall. Mark you, it did a rain for the whole of last week. So the hill did wet and full of mud. This is a little hill where me travel down all the while. If you know make this bag wire where in my way, rip my clothes, me step wrong. My foot slip off of this piece of stump where the tall grass did cover. It make me drop. Box cover. By the time you look at me that I tumble down. Me slide straight down the hill pa my body. Same time me hear the woman bust out a laugh. The mud get all over my clothes. Me jump up and I act like me never just fall. And ball out, don't laugh. And then me have to laugh. Duppy witnessed the fall.